Ever found yourself in that all-too-common predicament? You owe a friend for last night's dinner, or maybe you're splitting the cost of a gift, and you instinctively reach for your phone to open Venmo, only to remember they're not on it. Or perhaps you're trying to send money to a family member who prefers traditional banking, or even someone across international borders. What do you do then? Is the age of seamless digital payments restricted to those within the Venmo ecosystem? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding no. While Venmo has certainly cornered a significant portion of the peer-to-peer payment market, it's far from the only game in town. In fact, the financial technology landscape has exploded with innovative solutions, offering a myriad of ways to send money to virtually anyone, anywhere, regardless of their Venmo status. This isn't just about finding a workaround, it's about understanding the diverse tools at your disposal to manage your money efficiently and securely in a world that's increasingly digital. For years, the convenience of Venmo, its social feed, its quick transfers, its simple interface, made it a go-to for countless individuals. It simplified splitting bills, paying friends back for small expenses, and generally made financial interactions feel more casual and immediate. But this very convenience can create a blind spot, leading many to believe that if a recipient isn't on Venmo, the process becomes complicated, archaic, or even impossible. This couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that different people have different preferences, different banking habits, and different needs when it comes to receiving money. Some might be technophobes who prefer cash or checks. Others might use a different digital payment app that better suits their needs, or perhaps they're in a country where Venmo simply isn't available. Understanding these varying needs is key to navigating the modern financial landscape effectively. So, let's dive deep into the diverse world of money transfer options beyond Venmo. We'll explore various scenarios, from sending money to a friend who uses a different app, to helping out a relative who prefers direct bank deposits, to even sending funds across international borders. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to make any money transfer, no matter the recipient's platform preference. First up, let's consider the most direct alternatives, the other popular peer-to-peer, P2P, payment apps that many people already use. These are often just as convenient as Venmo, and simply require knowing which one your recipient prefers. 1. PayPal. This is arguably the granddaddy of online payments, and for good reason. Venmo is actually owned by PayPal, so it's no surprise that PayPal offers a similar, if not more robust, set of features. You can send money to anyone with a PayPal account using their email address or phone number. What makes PayPal particularly powerful is its widespread acceptance globally and its ability to handle both personal and business transactions. While sending money to friends and family from your PayPal balance or linked bank account is usually free, there might be fees for using a credit card or for international transfers involving currency conversion. The recipient doesn't even need to have a PayPal account yet. If you send them money, PayPal will prompt them to create one to receive the funds. This makes it incredibly flexible. 2. Cash App, a strong contender, especially among a younger demographic. Cash App is known for its simplicity and the ability to instantly send and receive money using a unique $cash tag, email, or phone number. Like Venmo, it allows for quick peer-to-peer transfers. Cash App also offers features like direct deposit, a debit card, and even the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin. Transfers from a linked bank account or debit card are typically free, while credit card transfers incur a small fee. If your recipient is on Cash App, it's as simple as finding their $cash tag and sending the funds. 3. Zelle. This one is a bit different because it's often integrated directly into your bank's mobile app. This means for many, there's no separate app to download. Zelle allows for fast, free, direct bank-to-bank transfers within minutes, typically using just the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number. The beauty of Zelle is its seamless integration with thousands of U.S. banks and credit unions. If both you and your recipient's banks support Zelle, it's an incredibly efficient way to transfer funds directly into their bank account without any intermediary app balances. The main limitation is that it's primarily for domestic transfers within the U.S. 4. Google Pay, now Google Wallet for Android users. Google Pay, now often referred to as Google Wallet, offers a convenient way to send money. It allows you to send funds to anyone using their phone number or email, and they can receive it directly into a linked bank account. Google Pay is also widely used for contactless payments in stores and online, making it a versatile digital wallet. Like other P2P apps, sending money from a linked bank account or debit card is generally free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.